So I'm here at Game Cave. So there's a path. So I'm here to show you what I see. Bye. The entrance happened to be here. I'm assuming they made parking, but the map has showed that it's on the other side off road, and now I'm seeing a new path. I can't believe I'm in here. Wow, the cave. I'm psyching myself. I never knew Florida had caves. Wow, interesting. I'm definitely buying phone handle so I can design, and Dane Cave has so many path trails. This is the main trail. This is good for running, walking, not so much for biking. Too soft. It's a lot of sand, like hard and soft sand. I think it's a mixture of mud, dry mud and sand, because I can feel them hard, and then sometimes I stumble into soft sand. Beautiful butterflies and moth. I love nature. Beautiful. Another path. This is something I can actually come back over and over because I see so many paths. So if I had lived here, I would come back over and over. Maybe tomorrow, come to the same path I see someone walking. So I come over again, walk. Such a beautiful day here. Hello. Path. Well, that's nice. That was a nice path. Beautiful trees. You see some behind me. All the same around. There are two guys behind me walking. That's who I saw. The smell of the wood. I hope I can find something like this in New York, Rochester, New York. That's better. The ground is red here. Red soil. Another path. Another path. I'm gonna run a little bit. Hold on. Now I'm ready to run. Not bad. Running. Easy running. That's what I do. I walk, run, walk, run, I alternate. I need to practice my videography. So many things I want to say, but I need to be in the mood. But I want to show you, my experience so far. I have a lot of past video of myself, and I've been trying to find a way to put them together and post on YouTube and Facebook. It's a lot of work, but this time I'm going to try to just post it without editing. Amazing. But it's really consistent all the way. So I don't even know how long this trail is, but it has many paths. So beautiful. I'm in the US. I'm not even outside of the US. So I feel like I'm really doing something. Experiencing the nature, experiencing life that you don't see in the city. I see the end. Yeah, I see the end. I'll stay on because I was ready to just cut it off. Oh, run. Wow. There's a path here and here. Here's another path. There's more. I have a feeling a big truck come here, play in the mud, go up and down, scooters. I see a lot of tracks So many tracks around here. Oh, there's more. So I just came from over there. I was just over there. There's more over here. And there. So big trucks come here. That was where the map took me to come here this way. I didn't want to do it that way. So I saw parking, so why not park? So, and I also told Google Map that they have parking for people who walk in instead of driving in. It's gorgeous. This looks like a heart of interest. Because I saw in the map it was squared. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes sense. Feel like I'm talking to myself. I am. Alright, I'm gonna go back where I started and then maybe pick a path to go and see where it would take me. I gave myself 1 hour and a half before I could bring back the car to my friend who let me borrow. That was so nice of him. But I need a car myself. Alright, so this is what I can give, what I can show, and I'm going to go ahead and find a path. I'm here at Dane Cave.